In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code pip install error. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure that you can successfully install the required Python package without encountering common issues. Begin by opening PowerShell. Once it is open, type the command python-version and hit enter. This will display the version of Python currently installed on your system. Next, check the pip version by typing pip-version and pressing enter again. You need to ensure that your Python version is 3.11 or higher and that your pip version is 23 or higher. If either of these is missing, you will need to download Python from the official website. During the installation process, make sure to check the box that says add Python to path to avoid path issues. After verifying your installation, the next step is to upgrade pip. An outdated version of pip can lead to broken installations. In PowerShell, type python-mpip install-upgrade pip and press enter. This command will update pip to the latest version, ensuring better compatibility with new packages and reducing the likelihood of SSL errors during installation. Wait for the process to complete and confirm that the upgrade was successful before proceeding. Sometimes a corrupted pip cache can cause installation failures. To clear the cache, enter pip cache purge in PowerShell. This command will remove any cache package files that may be causing issues. Once this command has executed, you can move on to the next step. Now it's time to install the Claude Code Python package. To do this, type pip install Anthropic Claude Code and press enter. If you need a specific version, such as 2020 6.1.0, you can specify it by entering pip install Anthropic Claude Code =$20 Make sure to replace this with the latest release version available. After executing this command, wait for the installation to finish and check for any error messages. If you encounter a permission denied error during installation, you can resolve this by using the command pip install -user Anthropic Claude Code. This will install the package in your user directory, allowing you to bypass the need for administrative rights. After executing this command, verify that the installation completes without errors. If you are behind a corporate firewall or proxy, you will need to adjust your installation command. Use pip install -proxy http://proxy.com panni.com 8080 Anthropic Claude Code. Additionally, if you are experiencing SSL issues, ensure that the certify package is up to date by running pip install -upgrade certify. Finally, to verify that the installation was successful, enter the command python-code code installed successfully. If there are no errors, the installation has been completed successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.